Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial on how to add your building passport to your basket and pay. You can pay for your building passport before or after adding plans and documents, however until you pay the functionality is limited. For example, the emergency services won't be able to access your building passport until it is paid for and subsequently live. You'll also be unable to invite others to view or contribute to your building passport, and the analytics functionality, which helps you identify what information might be missing from your building passport, will be unavailable. So to pay for your building passport, you go to the draft section which has the pencil logo and press Add to Basket on the building passport or passports you would like to pay for. For a residential home, this will be a one-off cost of £25 plus VAT. Then just go to your basket, which has the trolley symbol in the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, which you can read by pressing on this link. Then just press Pay for subscription. Enter your card information. I'm using test card information specifically designed for the test version of the site, so don't worry, it doesn't belong to anyone. Press pay and you're done. Your building passport is now live and you can see it by going back to the dashboard, and it's here, and also says you've got one here, or you can press My Building Passports and you can see this one. Please come back to add additional documents or to update them when you get new or updated ones. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.